Good morning, all of you. My name is Namaste Katanda from Puttara. My topic in America. With the help of Maharaj Sayajirao Gaikwad, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar went to the state in 1930 to study at Columbia University for his MA. In America, he was very happy because people believed equally unlike the discrimination he faced in India. He lived in international student club and focused only on studies. Later he chose to a PhD Indian National Indian National Divided and British economic policy. He was not satisfied with his earlier topic. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Neha. Through the generosity and good effort of Maharaja Sayajirao Gaikwad of the Baroda, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was take the opportunity to study in the United States. He arrived in the United States in July 1930 at Columbia University for his program. Baba Saheb was very happy there. In his home country, he was insulted by the Hindus. However, the social solution in America was completely different. Among them, Lala Lajpat Rai asked Baba Saheb to participate in Indian independence movement. Baba Saheb clearly stated, "I come here to study for his MA degree program in Columbia University." In his economics, anthropology, social studies, and history, Later he comes PhD, Indian National and British Economics for his clearly topic.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Mukti Smita Sandeep Rathi. My topic name is Study in England. So let's start our speech. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar wanted a degree in DSc degree in economics. Therefore, he sent a petition to Maharaj Baroda requesting an extension of his. Meanwhile, he left for London. Due to the content of his dissertation, he was mistaken by the Ghadar party member agitator. Therefore, he investigated CID officers, and when no connection agitator was found, he was allowed to remain in London. He applied an MSc and DSc degree for economics and political from London of School Economics and Political School. And yet Baba Saheb remained undeterred and saved approval for 4 years. He collected 5,000 books there, starving and thirsty. He collected for a book, a ship, and the vast collection of books he sent on the ship to other India, and blocked his vast collection of books. Demand of a removal of British was growing. Funds to return peoples and complete to his studies.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Sankalpa Mangesh Gurde from 5th standard. My topic name is Amazing Learner. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar had incredible passion for study. He would even skip miles to read and write. It becomes his habit to stay up late at night. His wife Ramabai would often bring him hot food. He would remain engrossed in reading. When she returned sometime later, she would deeply saddened to find Baba Saheb hadn't eaten. The food would be irritated, but it would remain as it was. Baba Saheb not found the food Baba Sahib not found the food but of the study while living abroad. He often went hungry to buy the book he wanted to work in library. He was the first person to enter in the library in England. He would open and would continue on studying until they closed. They greatly impressed the librarian. He impressed a wise wisdom of Baba Sahib. The food was allowed inside the library, but Baba Sahib would sneak a sandwich into his hide. He would often eat it during the recess. Once the librarian discovered them when Baba Sahib described his poverty to her. She was moved by his love of books, and she began with the next day. Once the Baba Sahib waiting for the bus at the bus stand, and the bus sat in the Germany. He had to reach university. Baba standing there, Baba Sahib starting reading a book to pass the time. Meanwhile, his bus came and when Baba Sahib the first Baba Sahib remains enthroned in his reading. Later, when he learned.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Dasha Pradipajit from 5th standard. My topic name is couldn't. Good morning. My name is Dasha Pradipajit from 5th standard. My topic name is couldn't find not shelter in Baroda. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar came to Baroda to take up a job in the Baroda state. Maharaja Gaikwad, the government official, came to receive in the station. He disembarked the train alone, carrying his luggage. He managed to get the day somehow. His night very extremely difficult and sitting in the park being for a lowest caste, he couldn't find place to live in a hotel and a dharmashala. He served the no less in the office. Thank you.